Welcome to Fridays for Fundraising. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn one step you can take before you leave the office today that can move fundraising forward for your small nonprofit. Hi, I'm Kelly, founder of From Scratch Fundraising, where we help nonprofit leaders raise more dough without burning anything. Every Friday, I'm here to serve up one bite-sized fundraising assignment that you can tackle in about an hour. Think of it as your weekly recipe for sustainable fundraising success. No overwhelm, just actionable steps that actually move the needle. This month, we're focusing on gratitude campaigns. The number one complaint I hear from donors is that they've made a gift to an organization and all they hear from the organization after that is more requests for money. No donor wants to be your ATM. If they've made a gift to your nonprofit, they want to know that the gift they made is doing something, making the difference you promised the donor they'd make if they donated to you. But when they don't hear from you, they don't feel like what they did mattered. So they don't give again. Let's not make that mistake. I know for small nonprofits, stewardship feels complicated and is the first thing to drop when you get busy and overwhelmed. A gratitude campaign can make up for this. We want to deploy a gratitude campaign before we run any fundraising campaign so that your donors know their prior gift made a difference. So they're ready and excited to make another contribution when you ask this year end. I know when I say campaign, leaders of small nonprofits immediately panic, but I don't mean something huge that will require lots of social media posts or emails. I just mean something that's given the same time, intentionality, and thoughtfulness as you'd put into any fundraising campaign. I'll talk you through your gratitude campaign over the next few weeks. This week, we're just going to make the plan. Let's break this down into simple steps. First, pick the channels you will use. I recommend picking just a couple of channels. My favorite channel for gratitude campaigns is phone calls. Yes, you heard me, phone calls. There's nothing that connects to your donors more uniquely and personally than a phone call. Whether you're talking to them live or leaving a voicemail, donors know you took the time to get in touch, and that makes them feel like they matter to your mission. Second best channel is personal emails. There are ways to deploy this quickly and at scale, and we'll get into that in the next couple of weeks. Third best channel are mass emails. For gratitude campaigns, you can do some social media posts, but honestly, they are the least effective. Once you pick your channels, you'll need to write your copy. For phone calls, you'll write scripts. You'll want a timeline for writing drafts and getting any sign-offs you need. Once you have that plan, then you'll plan your timeline for implementing the campaign and who will help. For calls, I love asking board members and volunteers to pitch in. Having a phone-a-thon day can be a great bonding experience for board or volunteers. And it thanks your donors. It's a real win-win. For emails, especially personal emails, when do you want to send it for maximum impact? If you're sending mass emails, you need to send 2 to 3 emails to make sure enough people see them that they resonate. But you're getting diminished returns the more you mass communicate. Fewer donors will see your email because it'll end up in promotions or spam. So this week, you're just writing the plan. What are you going to do? When are the deadlines? Who is doing what? That is all. Remember, this should take you about an hour, not a whole day. We're going for progress, not perfection. Over the next few weeks, I'll talk you through how to write a great script, manage a call campaign, and run the campaign from start to finish. So make your plan and meet me here next week to implement the next step. Do you want templates and tools to make this even easier? Head over to fromscratchfundraising.com/gratitude to grab this month's free resource, which is a gratitude campaign starter kit. I've already done the heavy lifting. You just need to customize it for your organization. If you're loving these weekly assignments and want the complete recipe for fundraising success, consider joining our Sustain and Thrive program. It's a 12-month program that takes you from setting up your fundraising foundation all the way through donor stewardship, board engagement, and expansion strategies like major gifts, peer-to-peer fundraising, monthly giving, and more. We break down the monumental task of building a fundraising program into manageable, bite-sized assignments, just like this podcast, but with coaching support, a community of peers, and unlimited access to all of our trainings and templates. The best part? Pricing starts at just $25 a month for organizations with budgets under $100,000. It's just $75 per month for organizations under $500,000 in annual budget. Because getting fundraising support shouldn't leave you feeling like a burnt crust. Join us in Sustain and Thrive, where we're putting the fun back into fundraising. Go to fromscratchfundraising.com/apply to join today. So quick reminder, this week your job is to write your gratitude campaign plan. No more, just the plan. That's your assignment this week. Remember, fundraising success isn't guesswork. It's following the recipe. I'll meet you here next week and we'll talk next steps.
Now go make the world a better place.